In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix WhatsApp not opening on iPhone. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your storage. For that, launch settings, navigate to the option general, click on the option iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete or offload the unused apps. Likewise, clear cache for the WhatsApp. For that, launch your WhatsApp, click on Offload app, then click on Reinstall app. This might fix your issue. Next thing you want to do is head back. Now click on the option Background App Refresh, enable for the option WhatsApp. With this, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is update WhatsApp. For that, launch your App Store, search for the app WhatsApp. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Lastly, what you want to do is launch settings, navigate to the option general, scroll all the way down, click on the option transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset all settings and go through the process. With these, you'll be good to go, your problem will be fixed. So that's all for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.